This guy wants to start a t-shirt business, and there's so much information out there. Some people say you can get a cheap DTF printer on Alibaba.com, or better yet, you can convert a regular printer to a DTF printer for next to nothing. So you start researching how to convert a printer to DTF. Great idea, right? Or is it?
Now, unscrew the flux capacitor and put the doohickey in the camshaft lifter that's under the nuclear core. Make sure not to jiggle the transcap manifold. That could ignite the solar flare.
Guys, it could be complicated. It's not easy, and there's a lot of steps. And let's just say you somehow managed to get it converted. There's still other issues. Check out the nice fluffy adhesive powder. You're definitely going to need gloves handling this stuff. Now let's play with it. Nope, you don't want to breathe this stuff in, so you're going to need some type of mask. And when you're curing your prints under a heat press, it also gives off fumes, not the business. Now, if you want to go through all that and put your life at risk to save a few dollars, make it happen. But honestly, a cheap DTF printer can actually be the most expensive. But what if I told you can make an investment and not have to worry about any of that nonsense? So let's get on the xTool software and let's open up our artwork, and let's go down here and we're going to click print. And the xTool Apparel Printer goes to work. No more of that and no more of that. All right, you see it printing, and your powder shaker and your oven are all in one place, and all of those fumes get sucked up right here with an air filter. No more breathing in fumes. So you can see it rolling through, and then it goes through the powder and then down into the oven, and it comes out right here. And it tells you the percentage of how much curing time you have left, and your print comes out right here. So with this printer, all you have to do is click print and then go print. And to print, you just lay down your t-shirt, lay down your ruler. These are available. Add your artwork, get it all lined up, cover it with some Teflon, slide it in, click print, 15 seconds, 315 degrees, pull it out, remove the Teflon. And now I use an air gun. This is optional because this is a warm peel, so I cool it down and peel. Looks amazing, but I'm going to take a T-seal, put it on top, and we're just going to give it a 7-second finishing press. Peel, and I mean that thing feels like screen printing. It is absolutely beautiful. All this AI stuff is intriguing to you. If you really want to learn it, T-Shirt Help Desk has courses that will walk you through it. Everything from ChatGPT, Ideogram, Photoshop, Image Presto, Leonardo, Midjourney, rasterization, you name it, we have you covered. All right, now guys, remember, don't worry if AI is going to take your job. Use AI to quit your job. Links in the description. Now let's get back to this video. Guys, if you ever wanted to talk to me, if you are having an issue with anything in the t-shirt industry, you can contact me at clarity.fm. We'll hop on a call and figure whatever your issue is out. That's clarity.fm/Gary Edgenay. And sign up for the T-Shirt Help Desk newsletter and get the T-Shirt Business Quick Start Guide. We go over choosing a niche, designing shirts, marketing and promotion, buying blanks, pricing, creating an online store, and so much more. And it's free. Link in description. Now, if you've ever done a quick Google search for DTF transfers, you'll know that this business has gone gangbusters. Even Amazon has gotten into it, and so can you. Let me show you. So this is a gang print. Let's go down here and press print. This is really popular for people who are ordering DTF transfers. And the great thing is that you can do them with this printer as well. It's not as wide as an industrial machine, but you can still do gang prints. So we just take this one, and this is even easier. You just take it to a table. You don't even have to print anything. All right, we have this one, and we have the flower one, which we just did. And you take all of these, in case the client wanted a bunch of them, you take them, stack them, smack them up, flip them, rub them down, roll them up, and you want to get a tube like this. It's kind of a document or architect's tube. And you just throw them in there, put the cap on them, lock it down real good. You've seen me do this before. Get yourself a mailer, peel it, throw it on there, nice and smooth. And you're all done. And you see that guy who wanted to start a t-shirt business? Well, guess what? He also has a transfer business. Take it to your delivery service and boom, somebody like me comes out, grabs it, happy as a jaybird. xTool Apparel Printer. Become a printer for others or a printer for yourself. And right now, there is a Black Friday, Cyber Monday frenzy sale. Save up to $1,890. Just use the code FILMGARY. And check out this other video on the xTool Apparel Printer. It's crazy. Finna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door.
T-shirt help desk.